You're watching One to Step YouTube channel, a channel where we post tutorial video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your PIN in Cash App. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future Cash App related videos just like this. Now with that out of the way, let's move on with today's video. First step, open your Cash App and click on your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, this thing will open up. Now over here you want to go on versus privacy and security at the bottom of your screen like the third last option. Once you're over here at the top, you can see security lock. If you guys have turned this on, then basically your PIN is on, alright? And if your PIN is on and you want to change it, you can click on change cash PIN and it's going to take you to the PIN changing place. And over here first you need to enter your current PIN. Now if you remember your PIN, you can enter it and move on to the next step. But if you don't remember your current PIN, you can click on forget cash PIN and it's gonna help you recover your account. If you don't know how to do that, we have made a video on our channel One to Step where we teach you guys how you guys can reset your Cash App PIN if you forgot it. But right now you can just click on it to reset it. If you don't know, you can watch our video. But let's say you remember it and you enter your PIN over here. So I'm gonna enter mine. After you enter your current PIN and it is correct, then it's gonna ask you to enter your new PIN. So enter it over here. After you enter your PIN, it's gonna ask you to enter your PIN again to confirm it. So I'm gonna do that real quick. After you do that, basically it's gonna process for some time. Once you get this green tick mark, then basically it's done. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can change PIN on Cash App. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. And I'll see you guys on my next Cash App video. Bye bye.